Here's how you can add or change a passcode on your iPhone. But before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Thank you. First, open Settings, scroll down and look for the Face ID and Passcode option. If you see it, great, but in some cases the Face ID and Passcode option isn't showing up. If that happens to you, don't worry. Go to the top of the Settings menu, then scroll down and select Screen Time. From there, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll to the bottom of the page and find Allow Changes, and under that, Passcode and Face ID. Tap it and ensure that changes are allowed. Once that's done, go back to Settings homepage and the Face ID and Passcode option should now appear. If it doesn't show up right away, close the Settings app and reopen it. Now select Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and you'll see the option either change your passcode or sit on if you never added one before. If you already have a passcode, you'll need to enter it before creating a new one. And that's it.